Fáilte chuig Creidim Ionat. Yes, I am here with my mentees, Brendan agus David. How the hell are ye?
Tá áhasar.
Láhasar to David?
Come on, come on.
Colin.
Colin Sprook, what's the aim?
Okay, we want to be able to record our Creidim Ionat podcast episode of any news 50-50, bear the Gaeilge, bilingual.
We're not, as Gaeilge said. That'll show you how much we have to achieve by the time we do that. My limited Irish, but we're excited about the prospect of working with you and getting it done.
And we have Duolingo Hanhénig Íslódótha agus tá Rang na Gaeilge.
Yeah.
Tántú chlórathe.
Sure.
Okay, so Neil job really good.
Oh no, you've lots of work to do.
It's fine. Bye-bye.
Don't go, we love you!
And how do you feel, David?
Tá agla orm.
Tá agla ort ní bheith a gceann cúpla seachtain, you will be fluent. Well, you won't be fluent, but you certainly will know more.
I won't be fluent.
Look at his face. Creidim Ionat.
I know.
Creidim Ionat.
Sure.
No, Creidim Ionat means I believe in you.
Oh,
That's
that's
the
the
campaign.
believe in me too.
That's
Hasclip Creidim Ionat, Lanchinar na meán ho síalta.